Hi everyone, I just wanted to show you a sneak preview of the tray I created in my Udemy e-course on how to work with resin. It's quite a fun little e-course where just basically I take you through all that you need to know on how to get started with resin. I also show you how to create an ocean tray plus a couple of other options. So the link was below if you're interested in learning more. But I just wanted to say thank you very much for visiting my channel. I really do appreciate it. And if you're liking what you're watching, please like, comment, share. It's really fun chatting to you guys. So don't forget to check the link out below for my new e-course. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. But I'm happy with it as you go in closer at the gold shimmer and how I've sort of worked through the translucent, transparent blue. And then if you go further up, I love that effect. I think that looks stunning. Again, I think lovely jade. But then with your more opaques and dropping that gold in there look really lovely. Looks, look like a pool. So I just thought I'd take you along just to show you again, and you see why I sort of use the gold